According to a report in June 2022 by the U.S. Government Accountability Office, 59% of major defense programs reported program delays. A 20 times growth in software complexity, driven by immersive cockpit interfaces and autonomous vehicle control assistance, including sensor fusion, machine learning, and internet connectivity, is one of the challenges. With this, rising concerns over cybersecurity and industry hiring challenges require a new system architecture approach. This approach must dramatically increase software reuse across programs, raise immunity to cyber attack, and be able to support the delivery of new capabilities to deployed systems securely. The Modular Open System Approach, or MOSA, is the path forward to break down complex systems into manageable pieces to efficiently create integrated systems from proven software components. This approach is also critical to enabling manufacturers to accelerate the deployment of innovative new technology. Lynx MOSA.ic is a next-generation operating system environment built to satisfy today's foundational safety standards and support future needs. At the core of Lynx MOSA.ic is a highly configurable time and space partitioning kernel, leveraging the latest hardware virtualization and partitioning features for all major avionics-qualified CPU architectures. Architects are given the fine-grained access to precisely control timing behavior and resource allocations needed to satisfy multi-core safety guidelines, such as those outlined in AC 20-193. Lynx MOSA.ic is built around industry standards including FACE, AIRINC, and POSIX, which simplifies use of Linux software, reduces vendor lock-in, and dramatically improves reuse of software across programs. One customer has reported that Lynx MOSA.ic enabled them to remove over 100,000 lines of legacy infrastructure software, saving tens of millions with certification costs. To find out more, visit lynx.com today.